How to get a Claude API key. All right, so your first step would be to actually create an Anthropic account. So head over to console.anthropic.com. You will be pushed over to the platform.com/, login. Now, you can choose to log in with your Google account. You could choose to log in via your email, but you would need to log in. I'll now go ahead and select the Google account and proceed. Now, you're asked what type of account sounds right to you. Are you an individual or organization? Let's go with individual. And then once it loads in, go ahead and click on Get API Key. So you're going to have to start building with Claude. So you're going to need to buy at least $5 worth of credits. Your full name and information would need to be entered, as well as your credit card info, and then simply click on Buy $5 worth of credits in order to get your API. So launch your first project with just $5 and use credits flexibly in the Claude console, Claude code, and the API. So you need $5 to get it. It's not free.